Here is an opportunity to embark on an exciting new career path. The pet industry is an enormous and rapidly growing $50 billion a year industry in the United States. There's plenty of money to be made in the field of dog training. That's where we come in. Sit Means Sit gives you all the training, experience, and resources you'll need to be a very successful franchise owner of a well-known and established dog training facility. In just 4 years, we have produced over 75 franchises that continue to grow and expand their client base in their respective territories. Sit Means Sit has been recognized by Entrepreneur Magazine as a top 500 franchise and top new franchise and has been featured on many national television shows. Now is your chance to join our diverse, highly talented, and well-respected team. Here's why this opportunity is too doggone good to pass up. As a Sit Means Sit franchise owner, you have the best of both worlds. The freedom of owning your own business, setting your own schedule, and driving your own success. While at the same time, you get the backing of our tried and true business model. At Sit Means Sit, we like to say talk is cheap. Every trainer thinks they have the best training methods, but we actually prove that our innovative, technology-driven 21st century techniques are effective at training even the most unruly dogs. Before you launch your franchise, you'll get accelerated high-level training at our state-of-the-art facility in Las Vegas, Nevada, where you'll learn everything you'll need to be a successful franchise owner and dog trainer. During this time, you and your dog will stay at our nearby housing facilities and enjoy all the comforts of a home away from home. After graduating from our program, you'll be able to start your franchise either as a home-based business with a mobile training platform or an actual storefront location in your protected trade area of the country. With very low startup costs and all the advantages of our established branding and marketing tools, you'll be on your way to a profitable business in no time. After you launch your franchise, Sit Means Sit will provide you with many tools to help drive your success as a business owner, including unlimited training for the lifetime of your franchise, trainers-only regional seminars, monthly conference calls, yearly national conventions, and ongoing direct communication via email and Facebook groups with the Sit Means Sit team and other franchisees. You will be making a difference in the lives of both dogs and their human families as you introduce them to the magic of effective obedience. Dog training can be an extremely rewarding career if you have the backing of a lucrative franchise like Sit Means Sit. Call us right now to find out more about Sit Means Sit franchise opportunities and join our winning pack today.